10th problem, second subdivision. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? This is the question. Alright. Now we need to find out in how many jumps he will reach back the top step. Okay. So I've drawn the diagram here. Alright, now what happens? He came to the 9th step and he was drinking water. After drinking water, now he wants to go back to the first step, okay, to the top step. Okay, top step means first step. Now how can he go back to this top step? Now he's a monkey, he doesn't go straight. So what he does? He jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down. So from 9 he'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps up, that is he'll reach 5th step, and then again he'll jump back 2 steps down. So 1, 2. Okay, now he'll reach the 7th step. Again what he does, 4 steps up. So from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. He'll reach the 3rd step and then 2 steps down. So 1, 2. Again he'll reach the 5th step. So in this way he keeps on repeating this way. So in how many jumps he is going to reach the top step? Okay, this is the question. Okay, let's do this. How can we do this problem? Alright, so first we'll write as drinks water. Okay, right, so drinks water. When he drinks water, he is in which he drinks water. All right, so he is in the 9th step. Okay, so he is in the 9th step. All right, 9. Now what happens? First jump. When he does the first jump, all right, when he does the first jump, what happens? It's 4 steps up. 4 steps up. Okay, so from 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps up. All right, so it is 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, like that. All right, okay. From 9, what happens? 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, so 4 steps up means 9 minus 4. When he goes 4 steps up, so it becomes 9 minus 4. That is, he'll reach the 5th step. All right, he'll reach the 5th step. Now second jump. When he does the second jump, what? He'll go 2 steps down now. 2 steps down. Okay, so 5th step, he's already in the 5th step. Again 2 steps down. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then he'll reach the 7th step. Okay, in this way, when will he reach the first step? Okay, so till we get first step, we have to keep doing this and we need to find out how many jumps he has done. Okay, so third jump. When he does the third jump, it is 4 steps up. That is, he is in the 7th step. 4 steps up means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. He'll reach the 3rd step. Okay, and then 4th jump. 4th jump is 2 steps down. Now where is he? He is in the 3rd step. 2 steps down means from 3rd step, 4th step, 5th step, correct? So 3 plus 2, 5th step. Okay, he'll reach the 5th step. Okay, now 5th jump. When he does the 5th jump, what happens? 4 steps up. Okay, he jumps 4 steps up. He's in the 5th step now. 4 step up means from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 5 minus 4, that is, now he has reached the first step. So in how many jumps he will reach the top step? 5th jump, that is 5 jumps. Okay, so at last how can we write? We can write the same way. Therefore, he will reach back the top step. Okay, top step in how many jumps? 5 jumps. In 5 jumps. This is the answer.